Okay, this is how you turn on your pool pump, your pool filter, or turn it off remotely with Alexa. Let's get right onto it. You can see I have two TP-Link Casa smart switches, and you can see I have a mechanical timer. You can see neutral, line, and load. You might want to pause the video if I'm going too quick, but all you want to do is connect this switch where the wiring is to your mechanical timer. That's where we're connecting it to. So we have a neutral, the white wire, and I'm just showing you the switch. I have two here because one connects to my light. I have another video of that. Link is in the description. But you can see I have two black wires, the line and load. Each wire going towards those three screws that I have in there connecting to my mechanical timer. So you can see right here. You might want to pause the video, but all you're doing is loosening up the screws and connecting the wire, and then you retighten the screws so everything is connected. So the line and load goes to 1 and 2 of the line and load of the mechanical timer. Tighten up those screws, then a neutral wire, that white wire, you'll want to connect that there as well directly to the mechanical wire switch. And then we have our green wire, which is your ground. And your ground can really connect to anywhere where you have ground by just have it to the existing. So once it's all wired, you can actually press the button of these things, and you can see that my pool filter turned on. And if I press it again, it will turn off. Now you'll want to connect it to something called eWeLink. Video is in the description on how to connect it to Alexa and eWeLink. So to connect it to Alexa, just pause the video, go into the description, and watch this video first, and then come back. So here, um, after connecting to eWeLink, you can see everything is connected great. Sorry for the loud background, just wanted to show you guys that it does work amazing. And now it's off. And then with Alexa, Alexa does connect automatically. So I actually had to press the button first. This is a voiceover. Okay, and you can see it works perfectly. But other than that, that's all there is to it. Again, check these videos that are popping up right now. That would help you a lot with in reference to this video. But thanks for watching, and share the news. And if you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Peace.